Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Friday, December 7th, 2018. You notice at the top of our homework chart, we've got a link for our 6th grade policies and procedures. These were slides that were shown in our open house, and there's also been a link on the Ontario Middle School website this year. In math, there is no homework. However, for the sock contest that we are doing for a charity fundraiser, you need to bring in socks for your math classes. Also, our Christmas ad extra credit opportunity, that is due on the 10th. That is Monday. Science, there is no homework. In social studies, we need to finish our Mesopotamia crossword. In language arts, we need to study notes for Wednesday's persuasive writing test, and make sure that you pull those notes out of your Google Classroom or notes that you have taken as well. In literature, we have no homework. Remember, the holiday party is coming up on Tuesday, so it's $5. And if not $5, you can pay $3 with a donated canned food item. That's going to be it for today. Have a great weekend.